This is a study of accelerated learning programs in community colleges in the Southwest. This study was designed to investigate accelerated English courses with co-requisite laboratory hours and their potential role in preparing students to meet the challenges of a rigorous college-level English course. When looking at the literature, there's some inherent problems that are at the forefront of the developmental education conversation. The first is that there are far too many students that are entering our institutions, enrolling for the first time, and having to take at least one remedial reading, writing, or mathematics course. In fact, the National Center for Educational Statistics reported that about 3/4 or 98% of our students enrolling for the first time are assigned to a developmental education course. In addition, persistence and retention challenges also exist. Moving through multiple developmental education course sequences often leaves students frustrated and lacking in the motivation to complete. As a result of these challenges, there's been national systemic reaction and a call for redesign of the way we deliver developmental education. So more recently, long course sequences are being replaced with condensed and accelerated delivery formats. One such delivery format found in the review of the literature is an accelerated learning program. An ALP program is a co-requisite program that's intentionally designed to allow students the opportunity to take a college-level course while simultaneously taking a course that will help support their growth in the remediation of skills needed to be successful in the college course. Baltimore Community College, one of the early adopters, calls an accelerated learning program a form of mainstreaming that places struggling writers and give them the same experience as a student who is first taking a college-level course. ALP programs have been shown to have increased completion and retention rates. Part of the reason is that cohorts are able to move quickly through the pipeline to graduation, yet they're still given adequate time on task to remediate some of the skills that they need to be successful in college-level courses. The successful completion and retention rates are so significant that in 10 states across the nation, legislation has occurred that requires co-requisite remediation. ALP is built on a constructivist framework where all of the skills need to be contextualized and represent the complexities of the real world. Learning has to be an active process that involves problem solving and critical thinking and opportunities to take a deep dive into challenging concepts. There's 3 research questions. The first is, do the number of co-requisite contact hours impact the number of students who successfully complete the college course? And then the second question is the number of successful completers different when comparing those students who received traditional developmental course sequences in preparation for the college course? And finally, does the percentage of successful course completion differ when comparing different ALP models, such as the WAC 101 and the English 101 LL in the Maricopa Community College system? This research design is correlational, it's retrospective, and it's non-experimental. The researcher will not be manipulating any of the variables. All of the sampling will come from students enrolled in an English course at one of the 10 colleges at the Maricopa Community College system. Students also need to be enrolled in the 1 or 3 credit co-requisite laboratory course experience, which is available within the district depending on the college. Students who test less than a 2.5 high school GPA and had a right placer score of 3 to 4 are the students that are targeted to go into the co-requisite remediation class. If you'd like more information, here are the references.